Alright, so let's start with the big picture. My bias was clearly an uptrend, and my target was set at the daily equal highs. Since the weekly trend was bullish, I was committed to taking trades in that direction for the long run. But here's where things get interesting. As I was analyzing the market, I noticed it was consolidating or barcoding during this period. Also, today being Friday, and with no high-impact USD news on the calendar, I anticipated a potential retracement. Remember, Fridays can often bring those retracements since the market sometimes takes a breather before the weekend. Now, let's zoom in a bit. I observed a 1-hour sell-side imbalance buy-side inefficiency on the left side of the price action. Given my Friday retracement expectation, this setup was perfect for my trading strategy. Moving to the 1-minute time frame, I was looking for price rejection signals. And guess what? I spotted a shooting star candle right at the lower quadrant of the 1-hour SIBI. This was my cue to enter a short position. I decided to enter with just one mini contract. Why? Because my daily target was 1% or $500 in profits. All I need is 150 to hit $500. Once my P&L hit that $500 mark, I was done for the day. I didn't wait for the sell-side liquidity to materialize because, remember, the overall trend was up. Holding on for too long could have exposed me to potential losses if the market decided to resume its bullish direction. So, that's how I approached this trade. It's all about reading the market conditions and sticking to your plan. Even when you're trading with an uptrend bias, understanding when to adjust and lock in profits is crucial. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to see more trade reviews, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Drop a comment below with your thoughts or any questions you have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Trade smart and stay disciplined.